Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Ruslan Kolikov, Mr. National Universe 2024, representing the Philippines. Proud Pinoy, here I am adorned in stunning Moro Barong, featuring a top crafted from the exquisite traditional Inaol fabric. This remarkable piece is a testament to the rich tapestry of Filipino culture and exceptional craftsmanship that our nation holds dear. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors of the Inaol fabric reflect the profound heritage and skilled artistry of our ancestors passed down through generations. As I eagerly prepare for my journey to Thailand for the upcoming Mr. National Universe, I am thrilled to share that I will be bringing a unique Philippine textile suit. And this suit is not just an attire, it is a symbol of our heritage, representing the beauty and resilience of Filipino spirit. I am honored to showcase our culture on this international stage and highlight the unparalleled artistry and tradition of the Philippines. Stay tuned as I bring a piece of our vibrant culture with me, sharing the beauty of Filipino artistry and tradition with the world. Mabuhay! Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!